Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hope everyone is doing great. This is Rakshit here and I'm okay. So, I'm sure you've already read the title. The plan is to go for my bike's third service, which is pending for a couple of months. I should have done it before. The brakes are also just getting faded, so we're going to check it out. I hope you enjoy the Kanyakumari, Kodaikanal and Valparai trip. So please stay tuned, and if you like my content, please do subscribe and share. And I will see you on the go, and let's connect on the showroom. Kawasaki center at least like 4 or 5 times, and being in Bangalore I always get road confused. Last time when I came because of COVID there was some roads blocked, and now I put a map. It is super hard to reach. Let's see. I'll reach in a minute, couple of minutes. Alright folks, reached the Kawasaki center. Give me some time, I will go meet the folks and then start getting the bike serviced. Most awaited service. So for example, if you want to know how the Kawasaki service center would look like, this is the way it looks. Lakhs bike. Oh, this one ZX6R crashed.
Brake pad is there, I can ride it.
It's good.
Yeah, I can ride more.
So the brakes is alright. That's what the service advisor said to me. I think they said they need to bleed it off. It's gonna come from a 3 or 4 plate easily. Money saved.
Just pump the brake. Pump it harder. Just pump it up. This pulsar get him out.
Like what one? Okay.
This is all I needed. And I was hitting some 120 something.
Oh.
Instantly I had a
Exactly.
but yeah, you have like you have to ride in some
Very cool. But I can only understand but can't communicate.
Grease. ಹೊಸ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಹಣ್ಣು. ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಯು ಸೈಡ್ ಓಪನ್.
Guys, done with this third service. Paid about 8,500. Lucky that I did not have to change my brake pads. This is definitely a boon. And taking back home is the biggest problem now. Not a problem, I would say, but not a problem, I would say. But again, finding the maps and everything is another circus for me from now. I couldn't have carried this one. Into the Innova. Hey guys, how are you all doing? Sorry for the delay in videos. I've been stuck with a lot of work professionally and also personally, so little held up and a lot of stress happening around COVID and everything. So that's why I did not upload a new video. And this video is also was shot before lockdown, FYI. So this was the service of my Kawasaki ZX6R. I'm sure that you like the video as well. So I paid about 8,008 rupees for the service. This is a third service with Kawasaki for my bike, and I'm going to explain how much did they cost for the service as well. So just look into it.
So here is the split of the service that has been charged for my bike. It is 8,008 rupees, like I said. It had multiple things: air cleaner element, brake pad, assembly cleaning, and consumables. And of course, the paid service charge for Kawasaki is 2,650. So that is the particular labor cost for paid service. And apart from that, they charge on each and everything that they have done, which means this is the only thing that has been costed around the labor cleaning itself, which is close to 4,120. Apart from that, the things that I've added, that was the oil, of course, engine oil. This is 1,777. So people advise me that the Kawasaki engine oil is pretty good, so I tried it out. But let's see if I need to change it later. Then there's the gasket, and then there is the oil filter itself. So put together, the actual value of the things that I've changed in my motorcycle is only this much, but these are the each and everything that they've changed as well, right? So like I said, that's what they charged me. Put together 8,008 rupees. But luckily, what happened? I thought that my brake pads of the motorcycle has been gone, like the front one. But of course, the Kawasaki was genuine enough to advise me, saying that it was not any sort of worn out, but it was because of brake bleeding, right? So I did not use my motorcycle for quite some time. It was rusted. Even the chain was rusted as well. So very minor rusted, not like completely rusted and all, because I didn't use the motorcycle. Of course, I was touring with KTM Adventure 390 over a period of time and did about 2,000 kilometers. If you're not watched the vlog, please go and watch in the previous videos as well. It's an amazing time that we spent. That's pretty much from this vlog. Like I said, the brake bleeding was there, so they said it is going to come out to mostly through 2,000, 3,000. I was expecting around 6,000 to be added for that brake pads, but luckily it didn't happen. Probably in the next service I might have to do, but let's see how it progresses from a period of time as well. So that's what I had for today. Please be very, very safe, and COVID is going crazy all around India, and I'm in Bangalore, like you already know. Please stay home, please stay safe. We'll see you in another vlog. Take care, see you, bye.